both sides.
That's okay. I love this thing so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner.
So, as most of y'all know, Disney is very expensive. So, what if you want to go to Disney and not spend that much money? Disney transportation is free. If you have a starting position from any place in the resort, you can go almost anywhere you want, including the park entrances if you really just want to take a picture and leave. So I'm going to try accomplishing something like that today. I'll admit I'm like pretty scared of heights, but this is still like really a really great transportation system. If you're staying at any of these resorts on the Skyliner line, including Caribbean Beach, Riviera, even Boardwalk hotels, great places to stay. Okay, this is crazy. Just barely made it. Oh man.
And welcome aboard the Walt Disney World Transportation System. We encourage you to use the handrails overhead or to the side.
I love this park so much. It's my favorite park on resort, but like again, I'm too poor, so we're just gonna turn around and go back. Holy crap. This is another one of those resorts I haven't been to before, but there's like a safari like literally on the resort. It's so cool. Now I see some animals down there, but not too close right now. I was also thinking about eating here. It's a little busy, but like, oh my goodness, like this is... I'm gonna try heading to the Magic Kingdom now, I believe. Magic Kingdom or Epcot, whatever one comes first. I just gotta get on it quick. Technically only have about an hour left, about an hour. So I'm hoping to get to maybe Epcot or Magic Kingdom, who knows. Well, just like that, we made it. Just like that, made it to the entrance. Just gonna admire it for a second and leave. I love this place, but I mean like, you know. I know the Contemporary is known for this big Mary Blair painting. It's really cool. I forgot that you redid this lobby as well. It's very nice. Oh, I just barely made it on the Disney Space Bus. Finally a place I can afford to enter, and not because it costs money to enter, it's free.